Good day, beautiful ladies and gentlemen. This is me, Atude Lamba. You already know. Today we are going to be discussing about cleansing. We have so many cleansing. We have so many ways to break out yourself from spiritual bondage. There's a lot of ways that you can free yourself from the enemy bondage. This one I'm about to discuss about is number one. It's very little, but it's powerful. It's very little, but is powerful. So normal ground, if you as a person, you are passing through problem, this problem seems not to will be over. This issue have been happening for years, not 1 year, not 2 years, not 3 years, long time ago, that even you personally, you are tired of it. This work is for you. Cleansing is a thing that most thing around you is for cleansing. Do you know that we use erosion water for cleansing? Because nobody they block erosion water. They must set you free. Do you know if a woman is giving birth to a baby and the baby will die, when he give birth to a child, the child will die? We call it abiku. Abiku is a we use the dirty that comes with the erosion. You know those erosion. You know, after that erosion is gone, there are some dirty that is hanging on the roadside. It's going to hang by some wood, by some tree. You see the dirty that this is erosion dirty. Those ones we normally use it for baby that normally come and go. When you do it, when you prepare the work, you're going to use it to finish with the placenta. Forget, you go nowhere. There is shams. There are spiritual things, but if you do not know, you don't know. Today, we are talking about cleansing. How you can use bitter Kola for cleansing. How you can use bitter Kola. In my dialect, it is called urogbo. How you can use bitter Kola for cleansing. Follow me gently and you can understand this thing very well. If you are new to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Beat on the subscribe button. You are welcome to join the beautiful family. Subscribe, like and share this video to family and friends so that everybody can benefit from it. It's very important. Your like, your share of this video encourage me more to do more video, to bring more video to your table. Any video at all, anything at all you don't understand, comment it below. I'm going to come back to reply you, okay? And I will make a video just for you to understand what I mean. So now, let us deal with bitter Kola, Orogbo. Our forefathers normally say a parable. One Orogbo ni Shawo. Normally, if you are a businessman, you are a businesswoman, whenever you are going to your working place, make sure you are buying kola nut with you. Eat it before you go to your working place. You must sell. Your business will be going fast. So you as a man, as a woman, when you are passing through demonic attack, this is not working fine for you. Every morning when you wake up, get me a bitter Kola. Say your good intention. You can do this every 12 o'clock in the middle of the night to 1 o'clock. Naked yourself. Pray everything that you want, all the positive thing that you want in your life to happen to you. You should be free from this bondage. Then eat the bitter Kola and go and sleep. You can have